Welcome to SteadyGuard. We're going to show you how to set up and install our tempered glass screen protector. There are 3 simple steps. First, we'll clean your device screen. Next, we'll frame your device for easy alignment. Then we'll wrap it up by applying the screen protector. Everything we need to get started is in the box. We divided our packaging to 3 parts to match the steps in the setup process. The alignment frame, cleaning kit, and screen protector. We're going to hold on to the cleaning kit and set the rest aside for now. Let's get started with step 1, clean. Our kit includes everything you need to thoroughly clean your device. Wet and dry wipes, cleaning cloth, and dust removal sticker. Let's set the rest aside and get started with the wipes. Use the wet wipe to clean the device screen thoroughly. This may take a few passes to remove the dirt and oil buildup that may be present. Now we'll remove excess moisture with the dry wipe. Next, we'll polish your device screen with the cleaning cloth. Take extra care not to leave any fingerprints behind. Lastly, stick and peel the dust removal sticker rapidly across the device screen to remove any unwanted dust. Please note that any debris left on the device screen will show up under the screen protector. It's a good idea to save the sticker, just in case. Now let's move on to step 2, frame. Insert your device, screen side up and top end first, into the thicker top end of the alignment frame. Now we're all set for the last step, protect. Slowly peel the backing from the screen protector. Carefully avoid touching the exposed surface. Align the top edge of the screen protector to the top edge of the device plus alignment frame. Keeping the top edge aligned to the frame, lower the bottom edge of the screen protector to the device screen. Now slide your finger from top to bottom across the screen protector. This helps to minimize air bubbles. Using the cleaning cloth, gently push out from the center to remove any bubbles. Smaller bubbles should disappear over time. Slowly separate your device from the frame, bottom end first. And that's it. Great work! For more information, please visit us at SteadyGuard.com.